Welcome back to RV Road Report, your trusted guide to rugged rides, mobile luxury, and life on the open road. If you love compact campers with big personalities, you're going to love today's feature. We're diving deep into the Nissan NV200 camper van motorhome, a vibrant yellow beauty that's compact, powerful, and packed with features. Built on a rugged long body with solid 4x4 wheels, this van is perfect for adventurers who want off-road capability in a city-sized package. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a full-time van life journey, this camper offers style, comfort, and freedom. Let's fire it up and explore every inch. Buckle up, road warriors. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off with the bold and confident front view of the Nissan NV200 camper van motorhome. Parked proudly at the official Nissan showroom, this van makes an instant impression with its vibrant yellow finish that catches the sunlight and demands attention. The sleek headlights, compact yet aggressive front fascia, and the iconic Nissan logo sitting front and center create a perfect blend of city smart and adventure ready. The aerodynamic design hints at its efficiency, while the sturdy frame whispers ruggedness. This is more than just a van. It's a lifestyle statement in bold yellow. Top side view. Now let's take the view upward and check out the top side features of this brilliant little home on wheels. The roof is fully equipped for off-grid living, starting with solar panels that generate power for your lights, gadgets, and appliances. An antenna boosts your signal, keeping you connected even when you're far from civilization. And there's a compact rooftop air conditioning unit to keep things cool when the temperatures climb. Every inch of the roof is functional and smart. It's like having a high-tech command center riding above your head. Backside view. Swinging around to the back, this camper continues to impress with smart design and rugged detailing. You'll immediately notice a spare tire securely mounted at the rear, ready for emergencies in remote areas. Right below, a cycle carrier is fitted seamlessly, perfect for bringing along a mountain bike or compact electric scooter. The rear doors are heavy-duty and finish in that same eye-catching yellow. It's clear Nissan thought of everything. This rear setup adds serious practicality to style. Side view. Moving along to the side view, and this is where your outdoor lifestyle comes alive. A retractable side awning tent opens smoothly to create a shaded lounge space right outside the camper. Imagine pulling up to the beach, desert, or forest, and instantly setting up chairs and a grill under your own little patio. Whether you're sipping coffee at sunrise or stargazing at night, this awning turns every stop into an instant outdoor retreat. It's more than convenience. It's the definition of freedom on the road. Driving compartment. Now step inside to the driving compartment, the brain of this mobile machine. Nissan keeps things smart and ergonomic here, with 2 LED screens, one for navigation and media, and the second for a live rear-view camera feed. Maneuvering tight spots and backing into remote sites is a breeze. The dashboard is modern and minimal, and the seats are plush, supportive, and height-adjustable, ensuring you stay comfortable on long drives. Plus, a wide panoramic windshield provides a commanding view of the road ahead. It's your pilot seat to freedom. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the cockpit, we step into the living area, and this is where comfort meets creativity. By day, you've got a cozy sitting zone with a sleek sofa and compact table, ideal for work, dining, or just relaxing. By night, the sofa converts into a full bed, large enough for 2 adults to sleep soundly. With ambient lighting, soft cushions, and smart storage all around, this zone delivers max comfort in a minimal footprint. Whether you're watching a movie, reading a book, or catching some ZS, this space adapts to your needs. Kitchen. Now let's check out the compact kitchen, cleverly fitted along the wall of the living area. Despite its size, it comes loaded with everything you need. A 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep your food fresh. Cabinets above and below give you space for utensils, dry goods, and cookware. A small prep counter gives you room to slice and dice, or simply whip up a cup of coffee. It's a small kitchen that serves big memories, turning road meals into something special. Washroom. And yes, there's a fully functional washroom, proof that Nissan has truly maximized every inch. Inside this compact space, you'll find a toilet, a foldable sink, and a mini shower head, all cleverly arranged for space-saving functionality. Wall hooks, shelves, and a vented skylight keep the area fresh and tidy. It's tight, sure, but it's practical, private, and fully capable of handling your hygiene needs on the go. When you're living mobile, a smart bathroom setup like this is pure gold. And that brings us to the end of our full tour of the Nissan NV200 camper van motorhome. A vibrant, compact beast designed for adventurers who value function, comfort, and mobility. With its 4x4 rugged body, intelligent layout, and vibrant style, this van proves you don't need something huge to live large. Best part? The price tag, just $31,000. That's right, all this adventure-ready performance at an unbeatable price. Got thoughts? Questions? Drop them in the comments. And you already know the drill. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next RV Road Report.